Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of AI by asking it some of the most intriguing questions. From the latest breakthroughs in technology to the mysteries of the universe, we're uncovering the answers to the questions that have always puzzled us. Join us as we explore the realm of AI. This is AI Unlocked, where the questions are endless and the answers are just a query away. Working from home has become the new normal for many of us. But it can be a challenge to stay productive and focused when working in a home environment. In this video, we'll show you the best ways to work from home and make the most of your time. First, it's important to create a dedicated workspace. Having a designated area in your home for work can help you maintain a sense of separation between your work and personal life, and make it easier to focus on your tasks. Next, establish a routine. It's important to set specific working hours for yourself, whether it's the traditional 9-to-5 schedule or something that works better for you. This will help you to stay focused and motivated throughout the day. In addition to setting regular work hours, it's also important to take breaks throughout the day. Taking regular breaks can help to increase productivity, reduce stress and improve mental and physical well-being. It's also important to include some flexibility in your schedule as well. Sometimes unexpected things happen and your schedule may need to be adjusted. By being flexible and open to change, you'll be more able to adapt to unexpected challenges. Communication is key when working remotely. Use tools like email, instant messaging, and video conferencing to stay connected and collaborate with your team. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Working from home can be isolating, and it's important to take care of your physical and mental health. Make sure to take breaks, stretch, and stay active throughout the day. Finally, use productivity tools. There are many tools and apps available that can help you stay organized and manage your time more effectively. Some popular options include Trello, Asana, and Todoist for task management, and Zoom, Google Meet, and Skype for video conferencing. By following these tips, you'll be able to work from home more efficiently and effectively. Give them a try and see the difference it can make in your work and life. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. We would love to hear from you. What would you like to see in a future video? Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will see you next time.